Hey guys, welcome back to Up Quick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we're discussing with you OxyEnergy Lipo Shred or slash fat burner review. So you might be wondering what is OxyEnergy's supplement here that you may be hearing right now. So Lipo slash 6-in-1 is a plant-based dietary supplement for weight management support. Like comes in individual powder packets here that you mix with water, and the company here describes it as a 6-in-1 formula designed for weight management, metabolism, digestion, and everyday wellness. Now, according to Oxy Energy here, the formula includes ingredients such as white mulberry extract, chromium, konjac root, inulin, flaxseed fiber, and okra. Now, the company here mentions or specifically say that these ingredients are intended to support appetite regulation, carbohydrate metabolism, energy use, fat metabolism, and digestion. Now, the website describes the expected progression as less bloating during the first week here, as you can see right now, and reduce cravings around weeks 2 to 4. Additional weight management support from the second month onward, and these are the manufacturer's expected results. And the company also says individual results can vary though. As you can see here now, individual results may vary. So, how to exactly use LipoSlash here? Well, according to the website here, or in the how to use section in their website, using it is quite simple. Now, according to them, you just need to dissolve 200 ml of water, or one packet here in a 200 ml of water below 40 degrees Celsius, and take one packet once a day after a meal. Now, you can take it after breakfast, lunch, or dinner, and the website says there's no specific meal required. It recommends avoiding taking it too late in the day because it may affect sleep. Now, according to the website and in their FAQ section here, the product is intended for adults 18 and older, and the website says it isn't suitable for people who are pregnant or breastfeeding. It also specifically lists thyroid and heart conditions under its not for guidance section. Now, currently, the product itself is priced at around $22.99 for 30 packets, described as a 1-month supply. Like a 60 pack is around $41.39, as you can see right now, or the 90 packet option here, which is around like $55.19. Now, if you are interested with this product here, or if you really want to try it for yourself, and because this is a weight management supplement, consulting a healthcare professional before using it is recommended. Particularly if you have like a medical condition, take medication, or are pregnant or breastfeeding here, just to be on the safer side. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.